Hey Ajay bhaiya, welcome. How are you?
Hello,
Greetings.
hello.
How are you?
I'm good. And
I'm
you?
also good.
It looks like you lost weight. Are you having an affair or something?
No, nothing like that.
Okay, where is
He's
uncle?
inside. He's waiting for you.
Okay. Come. Uncle!
Oh, my son, welcome.
Greetings,
God
uncle.
bless you.
Greetings,
God bless
uncle.
you. Good that you left your village. There's nothing in village. Cities are really wonderful. Come,
Hmm.
sit dear. You also sit.
Yes, yes. And how are you?
I'm fine. Good that you got transferred here. Or why would you remember your old uncle? You've forgotten me.
It's nothing like that. Hmm.
In fact, uncle, he was planning to take a house and rent. So I told him that uncle's house is so big. Why to rent a house?
Yes, my dear, you're absolutely right. This is your own house.
And I also told him that uncle is staying all alone. And if he stays with us, then he will also feel good.
Yes, you're absolutely right.
But he was feeling shy to say this.
He is very shy since childhood. Verma ji,
Yes, sir.
hey, how many times have I told you to shave and come here? I don't want to see your ugly face. And tell me that, did you pay the tax?
Yes, the property that we purchased last month. That.
First tell me, did you pay the tax?
Yes, of course. It's done. Tax
It's done.
is paid.
Okay, what about the land?
The property we purchased last month, we
Yes.
will get its papers in 2-3 days.
Okay.
Chacha ji, I'm
Yes,
leaving for office.
stay blessed.
See you in the evening.
No, wait. Verma ji, he is Ajay. He is my nephew.
Hmm.
And he is Mr. Verma. He handles all our work.
God bless you.
Verma ji, do one thing. Make a new will.
Okay.
50% of the property should be on Ajay's name and
Okay,
50% to the charity that runs on my wife's name. Okay?
Hey uncle, there's no need of all this.
Hey son, this all belongs to you. And now you can do whatever you like. And later on you have to handle all this. This property is yours.
Okay, whatever you say. Okay, I'll leave now. Okay?
Okay, sir. So.
You can also leave. Keep the file over here.
Okay. And I'll get the papers ready as soon as possible.
Sister-in-law, coffee.
Thank you, Chandu. By the way, for whom have you made this cup?
It is for sir.
Now do one thing. You go and do the gardening. I'll give coffee to
Okay,
uncle.
alright, fine.
Okay?
Anita,
Hmm?
do you know something?
What?
Chacha ji has signed half of his property on our names.
Yes, I know.
Hmm?
Today he has given his half property. Tomorrow the rest of it.
What nonsense! Anita, please. Don't do anything wrong, okay?
Why? What's wrong in it?
Listen, Anita. Wrong or right, I don't want a single word on this topic. I'm tired and I'm sleepy.
Chandu,
Yes, sister-in-law?
are you taking this coffee for uncle?
Yes, it is for him.
Oh, okay. Now listen. From now on, I'll look after uncle. And from today, I'll be responsible for him. You go and do other household
Okay.
chores. Get vegetables from the market.
Okay,
I'll
alright.
give this to him.
Yeah, fine. Anup,
Yes, uncle.
Anup.
Greetings.
Hello, greetings. Good that you are here. Where is sir?
Sir is sleeping.
Okay, so do one thing. This is an important file. Give it to him, and I have to go for an important meeting. Okay? And tell him I'll meet him in the evening. Okay,
Okay.
then I'll leave now.
Yes, okay.
Anita! Uncle! Hey, where is everyone? I've got a promotion. Where is everyone?
Okay, listen. This Verma uncle had given this file to me. He said he'll come tomorrow.
Okay.
Listen, Ani.
Do you know what this is?
No.
This is my properties file. In
Okay.
this, 50% is on Ajay's name and 50% is on your name.
Really? Thank you, uncle.
Happy?
Uncle! Really? Hey, where is everyone? Where did everyone go? Where is everyone?
Love you. Take this. It is yours.
Thank you so much.
And listen,
Huh?
what are you wearing in your neck? From now on, don't wear these. Look at these jewelries. I've got them for you.
Really?
Yes, really.
Uncle! Anita!